want to get into some analytics, more analytics about Kadena, what is going on with the chain, specifically supply, distribution, inflation. I'm bringing on a co-host today, so you can introduce yourself.
Dude, for sure. Thanks for having me, man. Freaking psyched to be here. Super sick. Markets are pumping, making some cash. Let's go. Let's get into this.
We are on coincheckup.com. This is an interesting chart here that I found, and we are going back over the last year. If we look back here, Thursday, November 10th, 1 year ago, our price was at $1. One thing that I want to bring to your attention, and I did another video about Kadena's inflation, is its circulating supply. It had 198 million 1 year ago, and today it's at 253 million. So we had an increase. I think that's about 78%, almost double in 1 year, the inflation to the circulating supply of Kadena. What do you think about this, crypto boy?
Dude, I think that sounds like a bunch of numbers, bro. Inflation, inflation, all right? We're going to the moon. I got my bags packed. Do these hands look like paper hands to you, bro? I don't think so, man, all right? Those who win go big, and those who are little scaredy boys don't win.
Okay, yeah, so that's his thoughts on this whole thing. And, you know, form your own opinion about these things, right? So we do have the inflation aspect of Kadena, but I don't think that means that this coin isn't going to be profitable for, especially in this next bull run, because there's, if you're in the space, you just know these things can pop, go crazy, and I don't think Kadena has really popped yet. Solana has been popping, son, and hopefully you bought some Solana during this bear winter. I bought some more. I wish I would have bought more than I did, but that's kind of how you always feel when things go off and rally and start going to the moon. So
it's really all about just your balls, all right? It's about how big are your balls, if you're ready to put your balls on the table, or you're just going to kind of like run away scaredy, you know? We're looking for big gains. We want 10x, 20x, bro. That's why we're degens, bro.
Let's look at this other metric or other historical data that I thought was pretty interesting to see, and that's Kadena's ICO. And why I think that's interesting is because we are basically at its ICO prices right now. So their ICO 2019, they issued at 50 cents. Then they did another ICO at $1, another ICO at 50 cents, another ICO at 75 cents. So we are basically at ICO prices right now. We're at 61 cents, a little bit above that 50-cent amount, but this is basically like getting in at the ground floor of Kadena. That does bring risk.
Oh, it sounds freaking good to me, dude. Getting in at rock bottom, bro. Buy low, sell high. That's how you make money. It's pretty simple. It's how I got this sick freaking pad with an ocean view, bro. All right. I didn't get that stuff by sitting on the sideline and listening to freaking Kramer. All right, bro.
All right, here we are at livecoinwatch.com. I like using Live Coin Watch. It's not really a trading chart, but it just gives you a really easy graph. But just know, I mean, the fact that it came down this far means there is a lot of fear. There's very little support. It seems, I feel like the community is still strong with Kadena, and because the market cap is so low right now, 155 million, it doesn't need a ton of money to flow in to make this coin pop. People are going to be looking at Solana, and they're going to be looking at, okay, what's the next one that can do this, right? And I do think Kadena could take that spot. I am being cautious with Kadena. I'm not going all in on Kadena. That's just me. You can do whatever you want. But if you like to gamble a bit and you want some big rewards, big upside, there's definitely big upside.